What? Guys, this thing is so fast. Yes! What is the worst that can happen? I've never had something this big. We've got a wrench. We've got some zippers. Oh, this is the turn signal. Pedals here. This is also a nice touch. This is the headlight. This is a phone holder. Wow, it fits. Another wrenches. This is the charger. Yo, this charger has a fan in here. This is the other charger. Wow, they're so cute. 58 volt, 3 amps charger. Those mirrors are huge. Yo, this wheel is so big. Here we have the second battery. Nice. 52 volts, 20 amps. Times 2 because they are 2, you know. Here we have the handlebars. And here is the screen. Wow. This seat looks so comfy. I really like the handlebars. They are wide enough so you will feel stable. We have the handlebars on. Those brakes feel amazing. What's inside this thing right here? Here you have the keys. Those are a lot of keys right here. Will my phone fit right here? Looks like it fits. Oh, we got it in. Yeah, this thing is getting in shape. Okay, so it's time to turn this big boy on. Let's see what happens. And I guess... Oh! This thing rips. I did some minor adjustments to it. Now everything is organized. Yo! We're going 57 kilometers an hour. It picks up speed so fast. This seat is so huge. I feel like I'm riding a horse right now. And also, one more thing that I love about it is that it is so stable. I can ride it with no hands. I mean, wow. Just look at this thing. It's so massive. I just had a friend out right now. What? He tried it and he said, wow, this is like a Sauron. And it really is. I mean, it has the power. Anyway, let's dive into the forest. This is a good test for the brakes. Oh. Okay, that worked. You have to be gentle with the throttle. Unless you want your front wheel to be spinning freely. Let's go! Oh! No way! Guys, this thing is so fast. It feels way faster on the off-road. Way faster. Those tires might not be the best for street ride, but for off-road, guys, I'm telling you, they are perfect. This forest is so nice. Let's go! Whee! This is so fun. I love it. One more thing that I love about this thing is that it's getting to the top speed instantly. And it keeps it like that forever. Those batteries are crazy. I feel invincible on this thing. It can do 45 degrees incline road. I think this is the path. It looks cozy right now. Man, this trail is nice. It is so smooth. It doesn't even feel like it is a forest trail. For some reason. Should I go this fast around here? I mean, what is the worst that can happen? Maybe I will hit a bump and just fall. At this speed, it will be almost lethal, so... maybe not? It is getting bumpier. Ooh. Oh, okay. This trail is awesome. Ooh. I think the forest was awesome. I have to tell you guys, this thing has the perfect sitting position. I feel like I'm sitting on a gaming setup with all the settings done right. Just look, this is so stable. I don't know if you can do wheelies with it. I should try to learn. Just name a better deal than this. I'm getting so close to the experience of riding a Sauron. If you are going out with your friends and they have cool bikes and all that, if you show up with this thing, you can easily keep up with them. Price to ratio is just perfect. So for $1,600, you get such a good deal out of this. Dual 1000 watt motors, dual battery, 52 volts, 20 amps each. And together, those would form 40 amps. So that's equivalent of a Sauron battery. That's a good deal right there. You get this nice screen, you get a huge headlight. It's street legal because it has turn signals. Brakes on it are awesome. I couldn't find anything that I don't like about this bike. It is just as good in reality as it is on paper. What do you guys think? This thing looks mean.